Happy birthday to my boyfriend's wife in London, Sisi. May God continue to bless you. May you get more shifts. We really appreciate yonke imali that you send us here in Africa, and we would like you to continue working hard and continue sending us money, because without you we would not have this fabulous life. Siyabonga. We just want God to bless you and to keep you there. Keep working, keep pushing, and keep sending us money, because without your money our life would not be as fabulous. And we appreciate that you are there in the cold with snow while we are here enjoying sun. But I want you to know, Gutsi, we do not take your hard work for granted. I am looking after your house, I'm looking after your man, and I just want you to know that when you come back home, uzoyithola zonke izinto zakho zi-right. And I hope your Valentine's Day will be as good as ours.